The M1A2 Abrams, the U.S. Army's frontline main battle tank, represents the pinnacle of armored warfare technology. Weighing 73 tons, it features depleted uranium mesh-reinforced composite armor capable of withstanding direct hits from RPGs and anti-tank missiles. Its 120mm smoothbore cannon has an effective range of 4 kilometers, while the advanced fire control system allows accurate firing on the move. The tank's Honeywell AGT 1500 gas turbine engine delivers 1,500 horsepower, enabling speeds of 42 miles per hour despite its weight. First deployed in 1992, over 3,000 M1A2 variants serve across 9 nations today. Each 10.3 million M1A2 Abrams incorporates cutting-edge defense systems that justify its cost. The Chobham armor alone costs $500,000 per tank, with its classified composite layers taking 800 labor hours to assemble. The gunner's thermal sight uses $200,000 worth of mercury-cadmium telluride sensors for night vision. Over 10,000 precision-machined parts go into the power pack, including the turbine engine, requiring titanium alloys that cost $1,250 per kilogram. General Dynamics' Lima Army Tank Plant produces just 12 tanks monthly due to the 14-month fabrication process involving 3,200 specialized workers across 17 states. The U.S. Army's 2023 budget allocated $1.72 billion for 135 M1A2 SEP-3 upgrades at $12.7 million per unit, 23% costlier than 2020 models due to new cyber warfare modules. Comparatively, Russia's T-90M costs $4.5 million and China's Type 99A $3.7 million, but lack equivalent protection. Maintaining the Abrams fleet consumes 14% of the Army's $180 billion annual budget, with each hour of operation costing $1,200 in fuel alone. Congressional reports show total life cycle costs exceed $25 million per tank over 40 years, sparking debates about allocating funds to drone warfare instead. Despite its cost, the M1A2 maintains a 100-to-1 kill ratio in combat, surviving 23 documented RPG hits in Iraq without crew casualties. Its trophy active protection system intercepts incoming missiles with 95% success rate, a capability absent in 80% of global tanks. During NATO exercises, Abrams units achieved 78% first hit probability at 3 kilometers versus 31% for older models. The tank's modular design allows future upgrades like AI targeting and hybrid electric drives. Military analysts argue that deterrence value justifies the expense. No M1A2 has ever been destroyed by enemy fire, making it the gold standard for armored supremacy.